Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the JBL Tune 720BT wireless headphones, and before you make a choice on your next audio purchase, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research and testing, and as always you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. So you clicked on this video to learn about the JBL Tune 720BT, and we're going to cover everything from price point to performance, real-world usage scenarios, and whether these headphones are worth your investment. Let's dive right in and get started. The JBL Tune 720BT standout feature is undoubtedly the renowned JBL Pure Bass sound technology, the same audio engineering that powers world-famous venues and concert halls. These over-ear wireless headphones deliver exceptional sound quality at a budget-friendly price point, featuring Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity for seamless wireless streaming. With 76 hours of battery life on a single charge, these headphones are designed for music enthusiasts, commuters, and anyone seeking reliable wireless audio without breaking the bank. The technical specifications are impressive for this price range. The 40mm dynamic drivers produce frequency response from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, delivering deep bass and crisp highs. The Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures stable connectivity up to 10 meters away from your device, supporting high-quality audio codecs for superior wireless sound transmission. Additionally, the headphones feature multi-point connection, allowing you to seamlessly switch between two devices, perfect for professionals juggling work calls and personal entertainment. What makes these headphones remarkable is the JBL Headphones app integration. This free application transforms your listening experience by offering customizable EQ settings with multiple preset modes. Whether you're into hip-hop, classical, or podcasts, you can tailor the sound signature to match your content and personal preferences. Furthermore, the app includes voice prompt customization in multiple languages, making these headphones accessible to users worldwide. The hands-free calling capability sets these headphones apart from competitors in this price bracket. The voice-aware feature allows you to hear your own voice during calls, preventing that awkward shouting phenomenon common with noise-isolating headphones. The convenient buttons on the ear cup provide intuitive control for volume adjustment, track skipping, and call management without reaching for your phone. Moreover, the build quality exceeds expectations for budget-friendly headphones. The lightweight design weighs only 220 grams, featuring soft ear cushions and an adjustable headband that ensures comfortable extended listening sessions. The foldable design makes them perfect for travelers and commuters who need compact storage solutions. The outstanding 76-hour battery life means you can go weeks without charging during regular use. Even better, the speed charge feature provides 3 hours of playback with just 5 minutes of charging, ideal for those rushed mornings when you forget to charge overnight. However, one notable downside some users may find is the lack of active noise cancellation. While the over-ear design provides decent passive noise isolation, these headphones won't completely block out airplane engines or loud office environments like premium ANC models. Additionally, the all-plastic construction, while keeping the weight down, may feel less premium compared to metal-reinforced alternatives. The target audience for these headphones includes students, casual listeners, and budget-conscious consumers who prioritize battery life and sound quality over premium features. Gamers will appreciate the low-latency Bluetooth 5.3 connection, while remote workers benefit from the excellent microphone quality and multi-point connectivity. In real-world performance, these headphones excel in everyday scenarios. Whether you're commuting on public transport, working from home, or exercising at the gym, the secure fit and wireless freedom enhance your audio experience without cable tangles or connectivity dropouts. You got it. So that's it for the best budget wireless headphones on the market for this year. Don't forget to like this video, comment below if you're gonna buy them or share your impressions, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.